Welcome to our guide on setting up your FanDuel account. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. First up, let's create your account. Go to the FanDuel website, click on Sign Up, and fill in your details. Once you've created your account, you need to verify your identity and age. This ensures a secure gaming experience. Here's what the FanDuel dashboard looks like. Let's walk through the key sections to make your experience smoother. Next, let's explore the different ways you can deposit money into your FanDuel account. Choose what works best for you. Always remember to set deposit limits. Responsible gaming is key to enjoying your time on FanDuel. With your account set up, it's time to choose your game. FanDuel offers a wide range of sports to bet on. Now, let's place your first bet. Follow these simple steps to ensure you're ready to play. After winning, you'll want to know how to cash out. Here's the withdrawal process you need to follow. And that's it. Your FanDuel account is ready. Remember, play responsibly and have fun.